Hello, good morning friends. Today we will see the mathematics algebra introduction to the graph. Now in this lesson we will learn some points. X-axis, what is x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash axis, origin, that means the value of x and y, quadrants, scale, equation of x-axis and y-axis, and coordinate of the point in a different quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the construction of situation of the Cartesian frame. This is a Cartesian frame. We have already sketched the Cartesian frame. A axis of x. Now look at this one is the axis of x. Axis of x. All the positive integers, positive numbers are present on the x-axis, whereas all the negative numbers are present on x dash. Whereas in upper position, the vertical axis is y-axis and the negative numbers are present on the y dash axis. This is a y dash axis. Y dash. This is the origin. That means it is x-axis, x dash axis, y-axis, and y dash axis. So here in the position, this is all positive numbers. These are the negative numbers. So down numbers are also negative and upper numbers are positive. It means it is clear that this is a first quadrant. This quadrant is first quadrant related to the x and y axis plus because all these coordinates, they are related to the positive numbers. So positive. Whereas in case of the second quadrant, this is second quadrant, this quadrant. So related to the quadrant, second quadrant, this is x dash axis and y axis. So negative and positive numbers. So in case of third, both the numerics are negative numbers. So here sign is in negative. Whereas in case of fourth quadrant, the coordinate of x and y axis are related to the positive and negative. So here the sign will be the positive and negative. So now look at, this is original x0. The coordinate of x and y axis, this is 0, 0. We call it as the origin. X is equal to 0, y is equal to also 0. Now another point is a quadrant. This is quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Scale. What is scale? X 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter. We have already written a scale here. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Another equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0. Equation of x, y-axis, x is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis, y is equal to 0. Now coordinate of a point on the quadrant. Now look at, suppose you have to calculate this point. Now look at, what is x coordinate? X coordinate is 3. So it means it is clear that this is 3 comma. Now draw the perpendicular on y axis. This is also 3. So 3. Both the numbers are positive. Now look at, we will plot this number. Now we will find the coordinate. Now draw the perpendicular on x-axis. Which number is this? -5. This is -5, comma. Another one is now look at 4. This is a 4. Now select here. Select this one. Plot the point. Find the point, coordinate of the point. On x-axis, this is -4. minus 4, and draw the perpendicular on y-axis minus 8. The coordinate are 4 comma minus 8. Now select here any point. This is 5 and minus 6. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 be the point. These are the points. If suppose any point A is present on here, A on x-axis, what is its coordinate of x? This is 4. So 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Whenever the point is situated on x-axis, keep y-axis as 0. Where in case of, suppose here in this, suppose this is a point B. Point B is situated on minus 8 y-axis. So x-axis is 0. Keep x-axis 0. And here the coordinate of y-axis is minus 8. So these are the position. This is already, we have already learned in 9th standard, and this is all regarding to the introduction to the graph. So in order to solve the linear equation in graphical manner, graphical representation of linear equations we'll study in a next video. This is only introduction. I think you have already studied this, but for the revision we have already prepared this. Now look at x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. This is a scale, and this is origin, and these are the quadrant: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. X-axis and y-axis, they are vertical to each other. Okay.